Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make effective sketch tips. To begin, always consider your audience's current skill level and what they truly need to learn. Each tip should focus on a single, clear concept, making it easy to digest. Use straightforward language to describe every step, ensuring your advice is actionable. This approach helps learners immediately apply what they've learned, improving their sketching abilities quickly. When structuring your sketch tips, always start by identifying the specific problem or goal your tip aims to solve. Break down any complex techniques into 3 to 5 simple, manageable steps. It's incredibly helpful to include a clear visual example or a quick demonstration to illustrate your point. Finally, conclude with a brief summary or a small challenge to encourage immediate practice and reinforce the learning. For effective content and delivery, always use high-quality images or clear video demonstrations to enhance visual understanding. Keep your verbal explanations concise, aiming for about 30 seconds per step to maintain engagement. It's beneficial to offer alternative approaches, catering to various skill levels and preferences. Most importantly, encourage your audience to experiment and develop their unique personal sketching style, fostering creativity. Before sharing, always refine your sketch tips by testing them with a small group to gather valuable feedback. Revise your content based on their suggestions for clarity and overall effectiveness. Once polished, choose the most appropriate platforms to share your tips, whether it's a blog, social media, or a dedicated art community. Finally, actively engage with your audience, answering questions and building a supportive creative community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.